Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see Banarasi Kora saris. These saris will be completely different from what we saw in the previous episode of Banarasi Koras. Last time we saw budget Banarasi Kora saris in the range of 990 to 1090. But what we are going to see today are completely different. The fabric will be the same, but the weaving and the borders will be very rich and perfect to carry for any occasion. These saris are priced in the range of 1500 to 2300. Beautiful designs for the upcoming festival season, perfect for gifting as well. All these saris are easy to maintain as well. These saris have to be dry cleaned for the first time. After that, you can carefully hand wash these saris at home. We undertake custom tailoring, fallen edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available in the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. The first one for today, a very unique and beautiful color combination. It's navy blue with teal, selvage in rani pink on either sides, with the border having very pretty peacocks and temples woven on both sides of the sari, short and long zari woven borders. The body has got a self-embossed pattern running all over the sari with small deer motifs in antique golden zari running throughout the body. That's the pallu, a contrast double color teal blouse priced at 1890. Green and magenta, one more beautiful color combination, very traditional rich antique zari woven borders on either sides, with zari checked pattern and antique gold along with self-embossed pattern running throughout the sari, a contrast antique zari woven pallu and a brocade blouse in magenta, priced at 1890. Yellow with blue and pink, one more traditional and beautiful color combination with rich Kanchivaram style borders on either sides, selvage in pink along with self-embossed pattern and small antique zari woven floral buttas running all over the body, a rich antique zari woven pallu and a brocade blouse priced at 1890. Navy blue and teal, a very rich and beautiful sari, half and half style. The top half of the sari has got vertical geometric weaves in antique golden zari along with thread highlights running throughout the top half, and towards the bottom half of the sari, it's in teal with rich zari woven pattern in antique gold running along the bottom half. That's the pallu, simple and elegant, and a double color blouse priced at 1890. Off-white with navy blue, another stunning sari with selvage in pink on either sides, short and long Kanchivaram style borders in antique golden zari running on both sides of the sari, with the body having traditional zari checked pattern along with buttas alternating in between the checks in two different designs. A simple pallu, a brocade blouse priced at 1850. Black and pink, one more stunning sari with rich antique zari woven borders, self-embossed body along with thread and zari woven buttas, peacock motifs running along the body, a pink pallu with antique golden zari weaving, and a contrast brocade blouse priced at 1890. Sunset orange and blue, another beautiful bright sari with rich Kanchivaram borders on either sides. The body has got checked embossed style weaving along with peacock motifs in between the checks, a thread woven pallu in double color, very classy, and a floral embossed blouse priced at 1850. Golden yellow tissue sari with rich Paithani style border on either sides, very pretty floral weaves on both sides of the borders with selvage in pink. The body has got zari checked pattern along with Mail Chakram buttas alternating in between the checks. That's the pallu, rich pallu, a contrast brocade blouse in pink, priced at 2050. Teal and pink, one more pretty sari with short and long zari woven borders on either sides. Very pretty elephants, yaris and floral pattern woven on both sides of the borders, with the body having all over peacock brocade weaving, very rich and beautiful running all over the body, a contrast zari woven pallu and a brocade blouse priced at 1850. Pink and red, another Paithani style sari with rich all over brocade weaving running throughout the body, very pretty Paithani woven borders on either sides, a simple pallu and a contrast brocade blouse priced at 1990. Cream and pink, a very classy sari with short and long antique zari woven borders, simple Bavanji style along the top part with the body having Zari checked pattern along with mild chakram buttas alternating in between the checks. And towards the bottom part of the border, this has got a retapet border with small motifs and bigger ones alternating along the border, a contrast pallu and a brocade blouse priced at 1890. Yellow and teal, another beautiful sari with antique zari woven borders, selvage in navy blue, with the body having concentric circles woven in antique golden zari running all over the sari, a contrast pallu and a brocade blouse priced at 1890. Peach and navy blue, another pretty sari with short and long borders in Banarasi style on either sides. The body has got self-embossed pattern along with small deer motifs woven in antique golden zari running throughout the body, a rich self pallu and a woven blouse priced at 1890. Lime green and copper sulphate blue with short and long borders, bavanji along the top part with very pretty antique zari woven buttas towards the bottom part of the border. The body has got cross stripes, geometric pattern in zari and thread alternating, a contrast pallu with antique golden zari weaving, a brocade blouse priced at 1890. Grey and magenta, a very pretty and stunning sari with contrast magenta borders, short and long with box buttas and antique golden zari running along the bottom part of the border. The body has got vertical antique zari woven pattern, brocade pattern running throughout the sari, a contrast pallu and a brocade blouse priced at 2050. Parrot green with pink, one more traditional and beautiful color combination with rich pythony borders on either sides, very pretty floral pattern with zari and thread weaving running on both sides of the borders, with the body having self-embossed weaves along with small antique zari buttas running throughout the middle portion of the sari, a simple pallu and a brocade blouse priced at 1990. Peacock blue and pink with short and long rich Kanchivaram style border. The body has got self-embossed weaves running vertically throughout the body with a simple pallu and a thread woven blouse priced at 1350. Pink and blue, another full brocade sari, very rich and beautiful with short and long borders, traditional Kanchivaram borders on either sides, all over zari brocade weaving, vertical patterns of zari running throughout the body, a contrast zari woven pallu, a zari brocade blouse priced at 1850. Blue with cream and pink, a very unique and different color combination with the body having all over floral zari brocade weaving with contrast bavanji borders along with thread and zari woven floral pattern, selvage in pink on both sides of the borders, a contrast zari woven pallu in pink, brocade blouse priced at 1850. Cream and black, the last one for today, a very pretty and beautiful color combination with rich antique zari woven borders on either sides, small zari checked pattern with thread woven peacock motifs running throughout the body, a contrast antique zari woven pallu and a brocade blouse priced at 2090. All these saris are available in our website. We have multiple pieces available in each of the saris that I had shown you today. I have randomly picked and showcased 20 saris, but we have uploaded 200 plus saris with beautiful designs only from today's collection. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link that is given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.